In this video, I will be showing you how to download the Windows Copilot wallpaper. Let's get started. I start by opening my browser to the Google homepage. I click on the main search bar and type in Copilot Wallpaper Windows 11 inches, then hit enter to run the search. Looking through the initial search results, I see a few different links. I am going to click on the third result down, which says Microsoft Copilot 4K Wallpapers. This takes me to a wallpaper website, but as I scroll down through the gallery, I don't see the specific background I am looking for right away. I'm going to hit the back button to return to my Google search page. Back on the search page, I scroll down a little further to view more image results. I spot the official blue and colorful twisted ribbon design that I want. I click on that image, which opens up a preview panel on the right side of the screen. Underneath the preview, I click the Visit button to go directly to the source website. Now I am on the article page where the download link is located. I scroll down past the title and the text sections until the full resolution image loads on my screen. I right-click directly on the image to open up the context menu, and from the options, I select Save Image As. A Windows dialog box pops up asking where I want to save the file. I navigate to the left side menu and select the Downloads folder. The file name is already filled in, so I just go ahead and click the Save button in the bottom right corner. A small notification appears showing that the image download is complete. With the image successfully saved, I minimize my browser window to go back to my desktop. I right-click anywhere on the empty desktop space to bring up the menu, and then I click on Personalize. This immediately opens up my Windows settings panel directly to the personalization section. From the list of settings on the right, I click on the Background option. This opens up the background customization details. I move down to the Choose a Photo row and click on the Browse Photos button on the far right. This opens a File Explorer window. I click on the Downloads folder from the left sidebar to locate my file. I see the downloaded Copilot wallpaper right there at the top, so I click to select it and then click the Choose Picture button. The preview image updates in my settings. I want to see how it looks on my actual desktop, so I click the Minimize button in the upper right corner. The wallpaper looks great. The new Windows Copilot wallpaper is now perfectly set as my desktop background. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.